Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. The digital euro debate has shifted from theoretical monetary policy to a sharp confrontation over privacy and sovereignty. The European Central Bank's proposal for a digital currency is facing intense scrutiny. Critics like Pius Sprenger and Jose Visner argue the tool could become a mechanism for unprecedented surveillance. They warn that central bank digital currencies might erode the anonymity that cash currently provides. This tension highlights a broader struggle for monetary sovereignty in Europe. As the ECB moves forward, the balance between financial inclusion and individual privacy remains the critical fault line. In the tech sector, the expiration of a major licensing deal is reshaping publisher leverage. Reddit shares slid 5.8% today as its $60 million annual agreement with Google came to an end. This drop signals a potential shift in power dynamics between content creators and tech giants. Analysts are closely watching Alphabet's Q2 earnings to see how this loss impacts their advertising revenue. The market is questioning whether publishers can now demand higher fees or if they will lose access to Google's vast distribution network. This moment defines the future of digital content monetization. Meanwhile, cloud infrastructure stocks are seeing renewed interest driven by artificial intelligence demands. Stifel upgraded DigitalOcean to a buy rating, citing the rapid adoption of open-weight models. The firm argues that cost-efficient cloud solutions are becoming essential for developers running these large models. Baird also initiated coverage with an outperform rating, reinforcing the view that infrastructure demand is shifting toward affordability. This upgrade cycle suggests that the AI boom is moving from speculative hype to tangible infrastructure spending. On the macro front, fiscal strains are becoming evident in emerging markets. Iraq's public debt has surged to 47% of GDP. This spike is driven by heavy dependence on oil revenues and widening regional tensions. The budget deficit reached $8.3 billion in early 2026, putting pressure on Baghdad's fiscal policy. Investors are now assessing the stability of oil-exporting nations as geopolitical risks mount. This data point serves as a warning for other commodity-dependent economies facing similar headwinds. In the crypto markets, Tron is making strategic moves to claim early benefits in the evolving landscape. The network is positioning itself to capitalize on current trends, impacting its 33 cents price point and $45.2 billion market cap. This activity reflects a broader trend where established networks are fighting for relevance in a crowded field. The market is watching to see if these strategic claims can sustain momentum against newer competitors. Looking ahead to today's release, there are no major economic calendar events with high impact in the next 36 hours. Markets are currently digesting the corporate earnings data and geopolitical developments. Traders are likely to remain cautious as they await clearer signals from central bank policies and tech sector performance. The absence of high-impact data means that sentiment will be driven by individual stock movements and news flow. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.